Hi, I'm Sumit Mutla, and today I want to share a story. Back in 2016, at just 26 years age, I was diagnosed with a rare autoimmune condition called myasthenia gravis. By 2021, my health took a severe turn during the pandemic, with frequent hospitalization and life-threatening pulmonary embolism, which again happened because of one of the treatments of myasthenia gravis. This is when I discovered Aashwasan, a holistic healing organization that has changed my life. Through their healing sessions, I learned to address the emotional and psychological roots of my illness. In 3 to 4 months' time, I saw profound changes, not just psychologically, but also physiologically. Today, I no longer take harmful medications that I used to take earlier. My body is healing and my life has transformed, not just physically, but emotionally and spiritually. But today, it's not about me. It's about my dear friend Deepak. At the age of 31, Deepak has been living with ALS, a much more tougher condition. ALS is a devastating condition that slowly steals away physical abilities, leaving the mind trapped in a deteriorating body. Financially, Deepak and his family are struggling. His mother works tirelessly to support him despite his condition. Deepak radiates compassion, kindness, and an unshakable will to heal. Hi, Deepak. The first question is, when was ALS, this condition, when was this diagnosed?
I was diagnosed March 2016.
So today, this is March 2025. So it's been 9 years since you're having this issue. Has the condition been the same since the last 9 years, or has it progressed?
Yes, I had been worse as they passed in May numbers because in lost my conversions and I lost some weight as well. I had a very terrible fall while walking. I used to get hurt. So if each one is being must has lepers.
After graduation, did you work anywhere? Were you able to work anywhere?
I was walking, but I was animal from work because of my health condition. When walking, I used to fall. So for that reason, they asked me to kneel.
What was the conventional medicines, the allopathy that we have? What do they have to say about this condition?
Later, there is no cure for this, and there is no witness for the all doctors never told me to take up physiotherapy on a regular basis. So I got paid for 3 months later. I followed the exercise.
When you got diagnosed and when you realized the quality of life with this condition, what was it at that point of time when you learned that?
Diagnosis. I googled. I the winter was a staple of thing. So later on, I used to know the clear picture about this, and I was depressed for 7 8 months. I was not able to eat when I was not able to go out. I was completely in a poor world. That's it. Everything was fallen apart, and I was not able to accept the fact that I am not living with this condition, with lots of physical limitation and all. That was the main thing.
We'll touch upon one question as well. You did take Aashwasan session, right? What was your experience?
I even was because taking a session. I was do feel a lot of anxiety.
Anxiety, yeah.
Yeah.
Anxiety of what?
And then fear of judgments from the anyone else danger. If I walk on a slave, everyone would
Judge you.
yeah, stay and wrinkle.
Oh,
Yeah, and so I was I'm that see anyone. I can't speak on the phone properly, and so even and they know after that unknown them that the scene I don't know what happened. I've been so relaxed and I did the test bombed on those anxiety and fear in the body being and I'm not having any yeah.
this is where we need your help. I'm reaching out to you today to support Deepak in receiving healing session through Aashwasan. Your contribution, no matter of size, can make world of difference. It will allow Aashwasan to assign a dedicated resource to help Deepak heal in multiple levels. Today, we can give him a chance to live a life of dignity, a life filled with hope and strength. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for listening to this story, for caring and contributing for this cause. Together, we can help Deepak rediscover his strength and create ripple of healing that goes beyond him.